In my last video, I showed you how to remove the Google Flow watermark using a free tool. The response was amazing, but I also noticed many of you pointing out that the method only blurred the watermark instead of removing it completely. So I listened to your feedback. Today, after doing more research, I found a new tool that can remove the watermark much more cleanly without leaving that blurry patch behind. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can achieve a much better result. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. This channel is all about content creation and practical tutorials to help you create better content. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial.
First, open your Chrome browser and search for Erasio AI Chrome extension. When the search results appear, open the Chrome Web Store listing for the extension. If you don't see it immediately, simply search for Erasio AI extension to find the correct page. Once you're on the extension page, click Add to Chrome, then select Add Extension to install it. Wait a few seconds while Chrome completes the installation. After it's installed, click on the Extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser and pin the Erasio AI extension so it's always easy to access. Now, open Google Flow as you normally would to generate your videos. You'll notice that the Erasio AI extension automatically detects your generated videos. A Erasio button will appear on each video clip. To download a watermark-free version, simply click the Erasio button. The extension will automatically process the video, remove the watermark, and download the finished file directly to your computer. It's really that simple. Before you start using it, let's quickly look at the settings. Click Get Started, then open Settings. Here, I recommend enabling Auto Download Results and Show Notifications so your processed videos are downloaded automatically, and you're notified when they're ready. If you prefer, you can also switch to dark mode, clear your download history, choose how long your history is stored, or reset everything back to the default settings. Now let's confirm the result. I'll open the downloaded video so we can compare it with the original. As you can see, the watermark has been removed completely, and like the method I showed in my previous video, this one doesn't leave behind a blurry patch, giving you a much cleaner result. Now, if you're using a mobile device instead of a computer, don't worry, you can still use Erasio AI through its web version. Simply open your browser, go to the Erasio AI website, and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, creating one only takes a few moments. After signing in, click Try Online. You may see a quick onboarding guide. Just click next to the instructions or skip them if you prefer. You'll then arrive at the upload page. Before uploading, you'll notice that guest users are limited to 6 credits per day. Once you sign in, your daily limit increases significantly. At the time of recording this video, signed-in users receive 90 credits per day. To begin, click Upload Video and select the video that contains the watermark. The tool will automatically process your file. Within a few seconds, the watermark will be removed, and you'll be able to preview the result before downloading it. As you can see, the watermark is completely gone. Compared to the software method from my previous tutorial, this approach is much faster and requires very little effort. Whether you use a Chrome extension or the web version, the process is simple and beginner-friendly. One important thing to note: at the time of recording, Erasio AI only supports images and videos generated directly from Google Gemini or Google Flow. If your files were created with another tool, they may not be supported, and that's how you can remove the watermark quickly using Erasio AI.
And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you finally remove the watermark cleanly and get the result you were looking for. If you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest AI tutorials and content creation tips. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what other AI tools or tutorials you'd like me to cover next. I read your comments, and many of my videos are inspired by your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep creating.